This is the DTWatch 11 Pro, and it's always on AMOLED screen display. I can set it up to twist your wrist and light up, or I can double tap it. Any which way, you can get into some beautiful watch faces. Very colorful cartoon style faces. Runs the gamut all the way up through compass oriented faces. Exotic, colorful, animated. You name it. Full of stock watch faces as well as downloadable faces from a watch store. When you swipe down, you get notices sent from your phone. If you swipe up, you're getting all kinds of information, date and time, weather information in terms of wind speed and temperature, humidity, your step count, your overall temperature, max and minimum. You've got your last night's sleep information available to you, and lots of breakdown on that. World time, the compass is there, memories, which is where you've got all your different pictures in your gallery. They give you a few samples to take a look at, and more. Tap all apps, and you're into your entire app drawer. Bluetooth calling, of course it's supported. Nice speaker in here, good and loud. You've got a separate app store to download things when you got it connected to the network, like Google Maps and other stuff that's really fun. Mindfulness, fitness, workouts, physical training is in here. Your overall settings, it's a waterproof watch, so the drain will make a sound and allow you to shake the water out of the watch. You hear that? And it's vibrating like crazy as well. You got timers and stopwatch in here, calendars, a voice recorder. Yeah, you got memory in here to hold photos, videos, your voice recordings, files, whatever you'd like. And the charger will allow you, with its 4 pins, to connect it directly to your computer. Use it as a 4 gigabyte thumb drive. Amazing! And the price is really great on this. You've got heart rate and blood oxygen and live camera. Really sweet new feature. When you tap that, it activates the camera on your phone through the app, and you see the picture on the watch. You got to watch the full review. It's really worth seeing. You got calculators in this one, a full-on compass. Video players, a flashlight that gives you a nice bright screen, or a flashing white, or in red if you'd like. You've got many different options in here, if I can get out of it. NFC for your business card transfers and your social media. You've got Siri or Google Voice in here, all your social media things, on and on and on. And a nice portfolio of games and things like airgun, because it is sensitive to your movement. You have all that control in this tiny little watch. Looks like an Apple Watch overall in its case size and design, but it's way more in all of the things that it can do. Once again, it is the DTWatch 11 Pro. Check it out.